Let's make another beautiful sleeve pattern together. Draft a basic sleeve, cut it out and slash it like this. Just draw this line as shown and then label it. Okay, label it and then start slashing on those lines. Spread it on your fabric and then trace out as shown. Once you are done cutting out, you start picking the slash and making them as plates like this. Using the pattern paper to do this, to achieve this, just bring it back to the normal shape of the sleeve and iron it properly as shown. Once you are done ironing, cut out the excesses as shown. Okay, and then sew it and then start picking out your pattern. Voila, this is what you should have once you are done. Say no to boring sleeves.